राजा रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की। प्रथम सद्गुरु वंदे श्री कृष्ण तदनंतरम गुरु श्री कृष्ण त्वमलात्मना नीलांबुज श्यामल कोमलांग सीता समारोपित वाम भागं पाणौ महासायक चार चापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम्। नमः कमलनाथ भाय, नमः कमलमालिने, नमः कमलपादाय, नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्घं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। राजा रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत महावीर स्वामी की जय। Today we celebrated Hanuman Jayanti and Ram Lala Chhati, birthday of Hanuman ji, and 6th day after the Supreme Lord Sri Ram appeared in this world. So some small little talk, not too long, on significance of Hanuman Jayanti and Sri Ram Chhati. First let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam to all of you. So we'll chant the praises a little bit and then we will listen to the talk. जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। हनुमान भगवान की। Very briefly, first to begin, who is Hanuman ji? Hanuman ji is no Devta. Devta, we don't worship Devta. Devtas are material being. वो स्वर्ग में रहने वाले, वो स्वर्ग में रहते हैं. They reside, the Devtas in heaven, स्वर्ग. And one who wants to go to heaven, oh, Brahma is the greatest book. Ishta bhutam mandamana varishtham नानच्छेयो वेदयन्ते प्रमूढा नाकस्य पृष्ठे ते सुकृतेन भूतिमं लोकं हीदनं वा विशन्ति. Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second content mantra. Vedas say जो स्वर्ग जाने की इच्छा है, one who wants to go to heaven, who wants to desire to for heaven, who form action to go to heaven, is not only ordinary fool, मामूली मूर्ख नहीं है. सबसे बड़ा, सबसे is not only ordinary fool, greatest fool. Because there is nothing in heaven, हाँ कुछ नहीं. थोड़ी देर के लिए जाएंगे, इसके बाद दुख भोगना पड़ेगा. भगवान श्री राम warns us in the Ramayana, यही धन कर फल विषय न भाई, स्वर्ग स्वल्प अंत दुखदाई. भगवान श्री राम said to residents of Ayodhya, उत्तरकांड of Ramayana, this human body, ये मानव देह, ये अति दुर्लभ, देव दुर्लभ. देवता लोग भी प्रार्थना करते हैं भगवान को इस मानव देह को पाने के लिए. This human body is extremely rare. It is so valuable and rare. Even Devtas, those who reside in heaven, they are praying and begging to get birth in the human form. So this wasn't given to us just to enjoy the pleasures of the senses, Vishayamavai. Nor was it given to go to heaven, Swarga. Why Swarga? Swarga. Because there is nothing in heaven. Swallow. It's only the happiness of this material world multiplied a number of times. यहाँ भी नहीं तो वहाँ भी. worst part, अंत दुखदायी। पहले तो स्वर्ग जाने की इस कलयुग में असंभव है। First, to perform the actions needed to go to heaven, Swarg, is impossible in this Kali. 6 conditions to fulfill, all impossible. And even if we go, we enjoy for a little bit of time. Tetam bhuktva swargalokam vishalam kshine punye martyalokam vishanti evam tai dharmanupapanna gatavatam kam kamalabhante. Chapter 9 verse 21 Gita. Shri Krishna says, if we perform some type of dharma, we acquire punya, which will determine which heaven we'll go to and for how long, kitne din. But once we go there and we start enjoying, what happens? Kshine punya. That punya starts destroying as you enjoy. One day is going to finish, 0. And then, martyalokam vishanti. We're thrown out of heaven. And because karma has become 0, we have to start all over again. We're thrown into the womb of dog, cat, donkey, worm, tree, grass. Veda say, hi nataram ma vishanti. That Ved mantra I told you, Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second cantate mantra. हीन योनि में भटक जाएगा, इसलिए महामूर्ख जो वहां जानना चाहिए. That's why he's the greatest fool who wants to go there. And you suffer. Shri Rama said, Ant dukkadayi, as in pain, suffering. We are thrown into lower forms of life. One day you're in heaven enjoying as a devata. Next day the body of a stray dog, a cat, a donkey, a worm, tree, grass. So Hanumanji is not devata. जो देवता की पूजा करेंगे तो वहां जाएंगे. याति देवतानि वान पितृ याति पितृपता भूतानि याति भूतेजा याति मध्याधि लोपिमा. Gita chapter 9 verse 25. Shri Krishna says, जो देवताओं की भक्ति करते हैं, those who worship devatas, if you can do, you go to heaven, Swarg, become devata. Those who worship the pitris, do Shraddha. There's an abode called Pitrilok. You go there, become Pitri for all time. Those who worship Bhoot, Pret, ghosts and spirits, they'll become ghosts and spirits. And those who worship me, Shri Krishna, Bhagavan, will go to Bhagavan. Very simple, very clear. So Hanumanji is not Devata, Hanumanji is Shiv. Descension of Shiv Bhagavan. Shivji himself came as Hanuman. And amongst devotees of Shri Ram, Shri Krishna, Shivji is told to be the highest. Vaishnavanam yatha shambhu. Bhagavat. So worshipping Shivji, we can go to Shri Krishna, Shri Ram, worshipping Hanuman, we can go to Shri Ram, Shri Krishna. भक्त की भक्ति करते तो वो सीखते, जिनकी भक्ति हम करना वो जा सकते. So it's not wrong. Hanumanji's example of how to serve Shri Ram. हमारा अंतिम लक्ष्य है सेवा. Our ultimate aim in life is to do seva. Seva. The seva word is very important. The bhakti, the word bhakti, which is going to take us to Bhagavan, only bhakti. Bhaktya tvananyaya shakya ahamevam vidhorjuna gyatu drashtum cha tattvena paveshtum cha parantapah. Chapter 11 verse 54 Gita. Shri Krishna says, whether someone wants to attain my knowledge, to know me, gyatu, one wants to see my divine form, to see Shri Krishna, pravesh, one wants to merge into him, attain mukti, moksha. Only one path. Bhaktya tvananyaya. Exclusive bhakti, devotion. Only bhakti, nothing else. Very clear. And here bhakti shabd, this word bhakti, to understand what the word means in Sanskrit, we look for the root. Iske dhatu. Kaise बनते हैं? So the root of the word bhakti is bhaj, bhaj. Bhaj means seva karna. Bhaj dhatu sevaya. Bhaj means to do seva, to serve. Kiski seva? Who seva? Hari Guru. Radha Krishna and true Guru. The Guru, one was attained Radha Krishna Sita. No worldly person who calls himself Guru, the true Guru. When we serve true Guru, saint, then we serve Radha Krishna Sita. To meet the true Guru, true Mahapurusha, true saint, only when Ram will shower his grace, Krishna will shower his grace. Vibhishana is saying to Hanuman, Abamohi bha bharosa Hanumanta binu hari kripa milahe nahi santa. When Hanumanji was searching for Mother Sita, Ma Sita, first person he met in Lanka, Vibhishana Maharaj. Great devotee. Rakshas. Sharir Rakshas. Body is Rakshas, but great devotee. Bahar mat dekho, don't look out. Andar dekho. Vibhishan says to Hanuman, oh Hanumanji, I have full faith. Only because Sri Ram has showered his grace upon me, I am able to meet the saint. I am able to meet you, Hanuman. Otherwise, impossible. So Hanuman is showing us how to do seva. When we serve Hari Guru, Radha Krishna saint, who is Radha Krishna Sitaram personified, then we are doing seva. We can serve in the world, but seva, just some service, that's all. Then is bhakti. Hari Guru. So, when they had reached, they were sent, the monkey army was sent, Bandhan ka fought, bhej diya. They were sent to look for Sita. They came to what is known as Rameshwaram. They had to go to Lanka. Who is going to go? Everyone, some is saying I can go halfway, some is saying I can go, but I don't know if I'll come back. Hanuman ji sit in quiet. Kuch bolte. Chupchap. To Jambavan. Look at Hanuman, say, hey Hanuman, आप कैसे चुप के बैठे? How is it so quiet? राम काज लगी तव अवतारा, सुनत ही भयउ पर्वताकारा. Jaman reminded Hanuman, hey Hanuman, the reason why you have taken this avatara, this word is important, you have descended. Avatar doesn't mean incarnation. Niche utarna, to come, to descend. Divine entity descend in the world. You don't take incarnation, this is bad word. We incarnate. Human being on the Maya. Divya, divine entity, they descend. So you have taken Hanumanji, you have taken avatar, you have descended in the world for Ram Kaj. To do the work of Sri Ram. Here in this Hanumanji work up and grew, it's huge, it's a mountain. Inside the rock. So हम लोग सब सोते हैं, we are all sleeping, we have forgotten our aim in life, भूल गए. We also came in this world to do Ram Kaj, Krishna Kaj, to serve Sita Ram, to serve Radha Krishna. Yet this is Hanumanji showing us. We have forgotten. Hanuman didn't forget. This is just a leela. Divine master. Hanuman is a Shiva Bhagavan himself. But this is a leela. Humko dikhana to show us all. So we are sleeping. We are sleeping in the ignorance of Maya. हमने अपने को पहले अपने को भूल गया. We have forgotten who we are. First thing. We have forgotten I am an Atma soul. अपने को शरीर मानने लगे अनादि काल से. From beginningless time, we have identified with the body, this material body, and gotten lost in this Maya. आकर 4,84,000 योनि भ्रमट यह जीव अविनाशी. Bhagwan Shri Ram said to residents of Ayodhya, Uttarkand Ramayana, the Jivatma, the individual soul who we are, is Avinashi, indestructible, eternal, beginningless. But it keeps rotating, Brahman keeps rotating in 8.4 million forms of life, 84 lakh प्रकार की योग घूम रहे. क्योंकि हमने अपने को भूल गया. All because we forgot who we are. So first thing, we have to wake up and find, realize I am the soul. ये सब ज्ञान गुरु देंगे. ये किताब पढ़ के नहीं आएगा. We can't get this knowledge from reading book or listening to lecture. Guru will give this knowledge. This is why Guru is so important. But Guru has to be Shodhya Brahmanishta Mahapurush. Theoretical man plus practical man. Bhagwan Krishna says in Gita, Jnaninaha Tattvadarshinaha. Chapter 4, verse 34. Jnaninaha. He must have complete knowledge, all the Vedas, all the Puranas, Mahabharata, Gita, Ramayana, all. Complete knowledge plus he's able to make us understand. He will make that knowledge come and sit in the intellect. Inke paas a power hai. He has a power for that. That is Jnana. But even more important, Tattvadarshina. He's seen God, he's seen Krishna, Ram. He's attained the divine knowledge, divine bliss, divine vision. Only such a person is qualified to be Guru. वो अगर बगैर कैसे इसे गुरु हम लोग पकड़ते. We in this Kalyu, we just anybody who wears some clothes or looks long hair or some mala mark, we think he's a Guruji, and we just Andhe Naivaniyamana Yathan Dha. Mundak Upanishad, first Mundak, second Kal, 8th mantra. The Vedas say, blind following the blind. We don't go to the right person, the Guru. We don't make the true Guru. Take shelter in the true Guru. We accept the wrong person as Guru. All he's doing is going to hell. वो नरक जाएंगे और हमको भी लेके जाएंगे. He's going to hell and taking us with him. That's all. We will be very careful. Has to be Bhagavad Prapt Mahapurush. God realized. Is the day Sri Krishna Sri Ram. That Guru is going to give us that knowledge when we associate. The knowledge I am the soul, Atma, not the body. The knowledge that my aim in life is to attain true happiness, divine happiness. And I'll attain that happiness only when I do Ram Kaj, Krishna Kaj, Ram Seva, Shri Krishna Seva. In a few days from now, a little more than a month, close just about a month, this mandir is going to be inaugurated. A lot of seva. Ye seva. Somebody will do, many of us will think, somebody is going to do, I don't have to do anything. क्यों ऐसा सोचे? We all should see this as our seva. It's going to benefit so many souls. The philosophy of Jagadgurutam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu, the greatest saint in the present age of Kalyu, is going to be distributed here. People are going to understand what is true bhakti, what is, the true knowledge of who am I, true knowledge of what is our aim in life, how to attain it. तो हम लोग भी करेंगे यहां से, वो भगवान नोट करेंगे, गुरु नोट करेंगे. So when we get ourselves involved in the seva also, Guru is going to note, Radha Krishna Sitaram is going to note. The seva is very important. A lot of seva to be done. It's not very long again, and still so much that to be done. All of us can help in that. We should try to do our best. Whatever little seva you have been given, try to do. If you haven't been given, there's so much. Ask some, get some seva. Seva is our laksh, our aim. Nishkam seva. I'm going to do something, but I need to get paid, a little paid. No. Nishkam seva. Tat sukha sukhitvam. Nag Bhakti Sutra. Unki ichha mein ichha. To be happy in the happiness of the beloved. To be selfless. Not looking for name or fame. Oh, this one came and did so much seva. Oh, Jai Ho, and to be praised. Nana, aisa nahi. It's an example. That's the only seva we can do, but there's an example as how we can do seva. Don't forget about if Swamiji or Diriji or somebody or Bhaiyaji is looking, so they'll be happy. Nana, Radha Krishna is looking, Sitaram is looking. something that somebody is just saying. It's a fact. God and Guru is sitting in our heart. They're looking up there. The one whose grace is what, whose kripa, whose bhakti, who they note. They're noting. So today as we celebrate Hanuman Jayanti, take an example of Hanumanji's. He's Shiv Bhagwan, he's Bhagwan. Shiv is called Swayam Bhagavan. There's no difference between Shiv and Krishna. One Supreme Brahman is taken two different forms, that's all. Don't see difference. But in the form of Hanumanji, he is showing us how to do seva. Hanumanji didn't want anything. Unhan diya. Someone gave Ma Sita a garland, most beautiful garland, with the best gems in the whole world. Light is coming from the gem, every gem in that mala. And they're given to the mother of the universe, Ma Sita. Bhed to diya. तो सीता माँ सीता ने राम को देखा, श्री राम और श्री राम ने दोनों एक बने. Mother Sita looked at Shri Ram and he understood. He said yes. He shook his head. Two body, one mind. Two form, one mind. And so Ma Sita, she called Hanumanji. Everyone is looking. Hanumanji ko bola. Hanumanji came and she took that mala with beautiful gems, and she gave to Hanumanji. Hanumanji बैठ गए और देखने लगी. और सब लोग देख रहे. He's looking at that garland, that mala, and everyone is looking at Hanuman. Or he started to bite. He would bite one of them and break it and throw it away. The beads, beautiful gem. He would bite in his teeth, look in it, shook his head and threw it away. Somebody high was there. Why did she give? He's a monkey. That's what happens when you give monkey a valuable thing. ये तो बंदर है, इसलिए नहीं देना चाहिए. Everyone is looking. What is wrong with this Hanumanji? So someone went and said to Shri Ram, Shri Ram knew, वो तो जानते हैं, वो तो भगवान है. But just to make everyone happy, he said, "Hey Hanuman, hey Hanuman." Hanuman ne kaha, "Ji Prabhu, yes, my Lord. Everyone is wondering why you are doing this breaking. There's such a valuable present has been given to you by the Mother of the Universe. You are destroying it." हनुमान ने कहा कि मैं अपने प्रभु सीताराम के लिए ढूंढ रहा हूं इसमें. Hanuman ji said, "I'm looking for my beloved Lord Sitaram in these beads." Everyone started to laugh. Hanuman ji, are you crazy? How are you going to, this is an inert object, how are you going to find Sitaram in there? I don't care. If something doesn't have Hanuman, if something doesn't have my Lord, Sitaram, then I don't care. I don't want it. It's not valuable. कुछ नहीं, तुच्छ है. अच्छा, हनुमान जी, तो ये आपका शरीर है. इसको भी अगर इसमें सीताराम नहीं है तो उसको भी फेंक दो. They said to Hanuman ji, "Oh Hanuman, this body you have is also inert object. This is made of this 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, space. Then if there's no Sitaram, then you should get rid of this body too. Why do you keep the body?" Hanuman said, "No, Sitaram is in every pore of my body. रोए रोए में व्याप्त है हमारे प्रभु. Every pore of my body." अच्छा, दिखाओ फिर. He said, "अच्छा, okay, so show us. If Sitaram is in every pore of your body, then show Hanuman." Hanuman did this and ripped his heart. And everyone in front of everyone, what they saw? Sitaram sitting. The same Sitaram on the throne is sitting in the heart of Hanuman. Ab Jaikar. Everyone started to sing the praise of Hanuman. Bole Pawan Put Mahavir Swami Ki. So everyone started to praise. So Hanumanji showed to us. What is the valuable thing? What is the real dharma? When we have Sitaram, Radha, Krishna sitting in our heart. Tab hum dhani hai. Then we are truly wealthy. And to do that, to get them to sit, we have to do seva, seva, seva. Alright, so today as we celebrate Hanuman Jayanti, and also I told you so Hanumanji is a great devotee of Sri Ram. So we also celebrated Chhati, the 6th day of Prabhu Sri Ram, his parents. So we'll be doing puja, etc. just now. This little talk today, Hanumanji is teaching us so much how to be a true devotee of the Lord and the desire to do seva, Ram Kaj, Krishna Kaj. Seva. Our life will only be fruitful when we have the joy, love to do seva. To make our Lord happy. Not our own happiness. To make Radha, Krishna, Sitaram happy. To make Guru happy. This is what Hanumanji is teaching us. This is the importance of his descension, his avatar. Ram kaj lagi tava avatara. The only reason for your descension is Ram kaj. Jaman is Brahma in the form of Jaman, taking the form of Jaman, the bear. He said to Hanuman, "This is why, O Shiv, you have come as Hanuman, and to teach us also, show us to do seva, to have the joy like Hanuman, to do seva, not to think it's some big work and I don't feel like doing, no joy, Kushbu. Then we'll also have, like Hanumanji, in every pore of his body, in every pore, it's just so that, but every pore, God is pervaded in every particle, He's in the heart, but we don't know. We have to realize that. Alright, so he said, I'm not going to make it not too long talk, so I will stop here. We have much more to do. बोले सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय, श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की जय जय श्री राधे Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai